You think you have time, so you relax. Just one scroll, just one more minute. But time doesn't stop. It keeps moving quietly, and you don't even notice. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into years, and suddenly, things feel different. You start thinking, where did time go? That's when it hits you. Life isn't long. It just feels long. When you're not paying attention, most of it is already gone. And what's left really matters. So what will you do now? You can keep wasting time, or you can take control. Start with small changes. Do what actually matters. Focus on what counts. Work on your goals. Build something meaningful. Make progress every day. Take care of yourself. Move forward, step by step. Help others. Spend time with people you love. Say what you feel. Enjoy small moments because they matter. You don't need more time. You need better focus. Choose what matters. Let go of what doesn't. Keep things simple. Work with intention. Rest without guilt. Keep learning. Reflect often. Stay present. Life is short, but enough if you use it well. Every moment counts. Every choice matters. And it's still your time. So don't wait. Don't delay. Start now. Even small steps matter. Because one day, this moment will be gone.